When most people hear the word passive income, they think it's only for the rich or that it takes years to build. But the truth is, passive income is just a smart system where you put in the work once and then keep earning from it again and again. Today, I'm going to show you how beginners in the USA can actually start building passive income step by step without needing huge money or crazy skills. First, let's be clear. Passive income is not overnight money. You can't expect to put in zero effort and suddenly see thousands of dollars. The real formula is simple. First, you put in active work, and later, that work starts paying you while you sleep. One of the easiest and safest ways is dividend stocks and index funds. If you're in the USA, you can download broker apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Let's say you buy shares of companies like Coca-Cola or Apple. These companies pay a small portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. It might look small in the beginning, like a few dollars, but over time, with consistent investing, it grows into a solid stream of passive income. The second option is real estate. Now, most beginners get scared because they think they need a lot of money to buy property, but you don't always need to buy a house. There's something called REITs, real estate investment trusts, which you can buy just like stocks. This way, you get exposure to real estate and also receive dividend payouts without needing to manage tenants or fix broken toilets.
Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. This is perfect for beginners because you don't need investment to start. You simply create a blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media pages and promote products through special links. Whenever someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact are great places to start. One of my favorites is digital products and online courses. The beauty of this is you make it once and it can sell forever. For example, if you know cooking, fitness, or even Excel skills, you can record a simple course and upload it to Udemy or Teachable. Or you can write a small ebook and sell it on Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. Each time someone buys, you earn money, even while you're sleeping. Another exciting model is YouTube automation. If you're shy or don't want to show your face, you can start a faceless channel. All you need is a script, stock footage, and AI voiceovers. Once your videos start gaining views, ads and affiliate links can bring you consistent passive income. Then there are passive income apps in the USA that give you small but steady earnings. Apps like Rakuten give you cash back, Acorns invests your spare change automatically, Honeygame pays you for sharing your internet, and Capital One Shopping saves you money while you shop. These might not make you rich, but they're an easy starting point. The key lesson here is never depend on just one source. Real passive income is about building multiple streams. For example, you could invest in dividend stocks, run a small affiliate website, and create a digital product. When all of them start paying together, that's when you see real financial freedom.
And remember, patience is everything. You won't go from 0 to 5,000 in 1 week or even 1 month. But if you start today, focus on building one stream at a time and stay consistent, within a year or two, you'll be shocked at how much progress you've made. So if you're a beginner in the USA wondering how to get started, the best advice I can give you is this: don't overthink. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Pick one method that fits you. Start small and focus on earning your first passive dollar. Because once you earn that first dollar while you sleep, you'll never look at money the same way again.